everybody. My name is Tate Johnson of LEHOSTHAIR and WIGS. Thank you so much for checking out our YouTube channel. Please do me a favor. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And listen, what I give you of any value, make sure you let a girlfriend know. Now, I got a question the other day. How do you get your edges to grow back quickly? Okay, so this is my thing. Edges and keeping them and them falling out. Listen, I'm going to give you just a quick advice that helped me when I was getting hair extensions and I realized that my edges started coming out. I'm going to give you some advice to how to stop it if you're starting to see your edges getting thinner. Now, I'm going to tell you, locks, sister locks, goddess locks, braid, all of that stuff is tension around your edges. Always remember, your edges is the most sensitive around the front and the back, which is your nape area. Because it is the most sensitive area on your scalp, you have to be very mindful of you growing back your edges. So you're gonna have to give them a break. What that means is lay off of the braid, lay off of the locks, lay off of all of those things that gives it a lot of tension. And so you have to even be mindful of how you're wearing your wigs. So how you get them growing back is if you're noticing, like I did, I was getting hair extensions and I was good because I was getting mine changed out every 2 months, okay? But then when I took it out 1 month, I had a bald spot on this side and on this side. I said, oh no, stop the madness. And what I realized is I had to stop it right then and there. So that's what I did. I came out of my hair extension and I started wearing wigs. Well, I realized not only did my edges started growing, but my whole hair started growing. This is one thing that I use, which is our healthy edge control. What happens is you have to see your hair almost like branches. And what that means is if a branch falls from a tree and it dries up and you bend it, it's gonna break. Your hair does the same thing. If your hair is dry, it's telling you it needs hydration. This is the other thing that we developed in our hair care product line. It's called Unlock. This adds instant hydration. One reason why you'll start seeing hair growth is because it has jojoba oil. Jojoba oil mimics the cerebral gland that's already in your scalp. It produces oil in your scalp and hair, and that mimics it. So when your hair is getting that nourishment from our products, it absorbs it a lot quicker. Also, we put jojoba oil in our edge control. And so if you just really think about it, if you're adding hydration, if you're manipulating your scalp, why do you want to manipulate your scalp? You want to manipulate your scalp because it's going to get that blood flow up in your scalp, in your edges. Why is that important? Because as you're eating nutritious food, the vitamins and the minerals and everything that you're eating from the food, it is going straight to your edges in your hair through the blood and through water. So you got to start drinking more water. You got to use the right products that's going to promote the hair growth. You're going to drink more water, you're going to stimulate your scalp, and you're going to stay away from hairstyle. If you need to wear a ponytail for a little while, I did it, and that's really how I got my edges back. I wore ponytails for about 1 month. You got to change it up, because if you keep doing the same thing, you're going to keep seeing the same results, thinner and thinner edges. So the wigs is what helped me, and ponytails, the edge control and the unlock. I hope this has been a helpful, valuable video that has given you the wisdom on how to get those edges growing back.